Surveillance video has emerged showing a person believed to be the London subway bomber on his way to carry out his attack, according to ITV News. The man, who is clad in a grey tracksuit and red hat, is clutching a bulky little bag about 90 minutes before a crude device inside a bucket exploded, creating a fireball that injured 30 people. He had left a property in Sunbury on Thames that was later raided in connection with the bombing at the Parsons Green station, ITV News reported. Police were still holding 2 suspects in custody in connection with the firebombing. One of them is believed to be 21-year-old Yahya Farrick, who was detained at a chicken shop in Hounslow, West London, the news outlet reported. He was detained under Section 41 of the Terrorism Act, and police said they were searching a residential address in Stanwell, Surrey, in connection with his arrest. The other suspect is an 18-year-old man who was arrested in Dover. He is believed to have lived in a foster home with the married couple in Sunbury on Thames who took in Syrian refugees. The man in the video was carrying the bag at 6:50 a.m. Friday after leaving the couple's home, ITV reported. At 8:20 a.m., the improvised explosive device partially detonated inside what appeared to be a little carrier bag. Of the 30 injured people, all but one have been discharged from the hospital. The remaining victim is being treated at Chelsea and Westminster Hospital, which has a specialized burn unit. Meanwhile, authorities have lowered the terror threat level from critical to severe, indicating another attack is highly likely, but no longer believed to be imminent.